lightning.
Did you see some?
Yeah. Passing over our house. Ato ba ni? Undak ni kusog ay ni. Dali hangin. If it is windy, that's scary. If it is windy, that's scary.
It's going more towards downtown.
Yeah.
I thought that was closer to our house.
Yeah, they're passing.
Hmm?
They pass in our house. Look at the hangin.
See the wind blowing, look at the lights. See the way the lights are hanging.
Yeah. Hindi basta springtime gani. Ulan, hangin. Walang padalikyat ang kabugnaw. Ikan sa winter, pag spring, so budayon ng mga tornado. Oh, look at the plastic. The plastic bag is flying over. Where is it now? Oh. Hope tomorrow there's no rain when we go to work. Yeah, they're all scattered now. I think the rain start. Kaya na touchdown. There is another one at 10 o'clock. Another storm 10 o'clock tonight. This is 7 o'clock.
Just trying to get up here to get you a better view. It's all going by though. It's going to try to get closer to it, but it's moving too fast.
Let's turn around, go home. As long we're safe, ulan na gyud. All the houses here are nice. Grace and me are taking pictures of the houses here.
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
thought
it's wearing the newspaper.
umbrella with the newspaper. Why the sun is about to coming out. Yeah, they scattered now.
I was hoping we'd see more.
The clouds are scattered now. Kabungkag na.
Little pieces of ice.
tubangan o sa luyo kay